Hi there, I'm gribbz, and welcome to EMS, or Empower Melbourne Shuffle. Now, if you're new here and you're wondering what the heck is Melbourne Shuffle, I'm going to tell you. But before I get into that, I just want to thank the sponsor of this video and website, UFO Network. Without them, none of this would be possible. So UFO, thank you very much. Now, let's get into it. What is the Melbourne Shuffle, and what is this page for? Melbourne Shuffle is a style of dance, it's a hard dance style that comes from Melbourne, Australia. The purpose of this webpage is kind of like a wiki, a Wikipedia, or it's going to be like a source of information that you can view the history, the culture, and also if you're looking for lessons on how to do the dance. It's all going to be right here in one location for you. The dance itself didn't originate in Melbourne, Australia, but it has history and origins that come from United Kingdom, from clans back in the day, over 2 centuries ago or more, of Irish, Celtic, Scottish, and English as well. So, a little bit of a melting pot, but from what I've learned and all the knowledge that I've gained on it, it's definitely older than some might think. So, now that being said, my purpose in life and my mission is to spread this dance because it has become a lifestyle. It has become more than just a hobby. I think about it every day, and I love to do it. It's so much fun. You get to express the way you want to express. It's a freestyle dance, and it just feels it's euphoria. So, if you were wondering what the Melbourne Shuffle is, now you know. If you want to learn more, or you ever want to chat, or ask me questions or anything, feel free to drop a line at any of my links that will be above or below on the homepage, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or you can email me. That always works too. And if you're wondering where can I learn Melbourne Shuffle, I have a YouTube channel also that is linked to this page. You can start today if you want to after watching this video. I have a couple of series 1 and 2 on there so far that you can check out. I teach everything from the Melbourne Shuffle to everything from music theory as well, rhythm, musicality, all kinds of different elements, creativity, so much more. So if you're interested, I have all that laid out there for you. If you want to support me, I honestly just ask that you follow me on YouTube, because that's one of my main social media accounts that I will be posting content and engaging with the community and followers and viewers. So thank you for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you on the dance floor. Talk to you later.